Greetings. This is Darth Menu here in San Jose, California at 7 Star Bar and Grill, located on South Bascom Avenue. Travel with me to a galaxy far, far away. Enjoy the atmosphere and definitely enjoy the food. This place is off the freaking hook. Oh my God, I'm reliving childhood memories. Wait till you see this place. Check this out. Right now I have Mario and Paul.
Hi.
Nice to meet you guys. Wow, you have a great place here.
Thank you.
So how long have you guys been here now?
2.5 years.
2.5 years? Okay. And what inspired you to come up with a whole Star Wars thing?
It kind of happened on its own. We picked the name 7 Stars because we have 5 kids together, yours, mine, and ours. And then the graphic designer came up with the logo, which incorporated the Star Wars writing, which Paul, as a big Star Wars fan, loved.
Right, that's right.
We had a Star Wars wedding, and he started putting up collectibles around the bar little by little, kind of a game between to see if I would notice.
To see if she would notice.
Oh, okay.
It ended up on Yelp, this Star Wars bar, and we opened in August. The first May the 4th that happened was a Friday, so we did a big party. We had a huge turnout, stormtroopers, like Leia, and he amped up the decorations for that and put up more memorabilia.
Lots of toys, all that stuff. Lots of toys and posters, and it just kind of snowballed from there.
The next May the 4th, he felt encouraged again to really do something a lot extra, so that's where some of the ceiling work came in. And we just spent more. And the painting, like the Death Star, that was more traditions. We had people do a mural in the men's room. I don't know if you saw that yet.
Oh, I haven't been in there. No, but now, note to self, I have to go to the men's room. Okay, so I have to ask you too. If you had your druthers, Rebel Alliance or Sith, which way would you go?
Definitely not Sith. I bet more Rebel if I had to choose.
Okay, get off of him.
If I had to choose between those
He's
two.
the Darth Vader of the family, so I'm not buying that at all.
I don't believe it.
I'm a Han Solo fan, so I like the bad boys, but not too bad.
Okay, that makes sense. Well, guys, I can't thank you enough for your time. I'm absolutely loving this place. I can hardly wait to try out the food. I hear it's off the hook, and let's get right to it.
Dog. We hand dip it in our kitchens in our own made from scratch cornbread batter with beer. This is our goat cheeseburger. We make our own roasted garlic aioli, bacon, goat cheese, green onions, tomatoes. This is our clam chowder. We also make this from scratch in our kitchen with our thick sliced bacon, real cream, and fresh herbs, and we serve it with a hunk of oven fresh. This is our lightsaber. It's 3 olives, grape vodka. We use a little of this and a little of that, and it uses the Force to look green and taste purple.
Let's see how strong the Force is within you. Oh yeah. Oh, this, yeah. The Force is strong within me. Yeehaw! I like that. Oh my gosh, it's smooth. And you're right. It does taste the first time I've ever experienced a linguiça corn dog before, but it's definitely not my last. And then you have thick cut bacon, along with the other condiments of the tomato, the lettuce, and the aioli. Just a wonderful combination. A very unique flavor. And for dessert, the blue milk cocktail. Oh, that's refreshing. That is so Seven Stars Bar and Grill, located on South Bascom Avenue. Behind me, 2 blocks down, I have San Jose City College, Valley Medical Center. You're around everything. So if you have a broken leg, come here first. All right, get yourself something to eat, have yourself a drink, kill the pain. Use the Force. Use the Force. This is Darth Menu saying, whether you dine in or out, Bluetooth is definitely got you covered. Take care, everybody.